Uh, good evening, men of God. I like to share this. Ndiyabonga kakhulu. Today is Tuesday. Ndibukele fasting intensive prayer spiritually. Prayer and fasting inanzika explain verses akhona, mfundisi Thabani, I don't know why I'm saying mfundisi Thabani, ndimamele nomfundisi uQaba kwezi scriptures zokugqibela phaa First Corinthians chapter 14 verse 17 ezinibhizni explainer. I just ndizela bubuthongo wena ndihleli la ndinibukele kufika nje ubuthongo ezindizela bubuthongo nje ndiba nombono womntu ongumama okhulelweyo but this is like one of the relatives okhulelwe. So isimanga sendaba is like people they are pregnant with the Holy Spirit. As ndihleli lana ndi-meditate ngayo why I see this woman while ni explain these scriptures as a thanksgiving ezizokugqibela. I see this woman ungathi unqibile, she's excited bona isisu ukhulelwe. So ndibuza in my mind ukuthi ukhulelwe, so kufika just the thing ethi they will be filled with the Holy Spirit, others they will be pregnant with the Holy Spirit. So bensithi nje let me just share with you le ndaba as I'm sitting here. Ndibona lo mbono nje as I'm sitting up ndingathi ndiphathwa bubuthongo bhuti. I know it was event ibidlulile but moya engcwele undibonisa ukuba abanye babo they are pregnant already with the Holy Spirit. Makhalabusaya, siyabonga. The scriptures as ndizibhalile mina, I'll continue as sizosiqala this week. We are starting with the fasting Tina as tomorrow is 16. So I'll apply the scriptures as throughout the Easter conference because we are starting the fasting starting tomorrow. So just apply. I will continue. These scriptures, they are so powerful, very powerful from this. Bless you.